Hello Dnation and welcome back to the Harley Davidson special unbox and review series. In today's episode we're going to be unboxing the Harley Davidson 1952 FL Hydra Glide with sidecar, which is the 1/18 scale manufactured by Maisto. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, in today's episode, I want to save you the trouble of running through the entire process of unboxing this beautiful diecast motorcycle. And so for a change, I went ahead and pulled out one of my all-exclusive 1/18 scale Harley Davidson licensed diecast motorcycle that is in fact one of my favorites of its kind. So let's go ahead and take a look at this all-time classical replica. And now, as we know what this amazing licensed model looks like, and with that out of the way, let's go ahead and look a bit further into this well-detailed 1/18 scale diecast motorcycle replica. To begin with, this model is a licensed product of Harley Davidson, and this motorcycle is an all-time classic which looks quite premium and has a good build quality to it and has quite a bit of details. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components with ABS plastic, which makes it premium looking. This model measures in at 4.8 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 1.5 inches in width, and weighs in at about 209 grams. And the sidecar on this diecast replica is an additional 1.5 inches in width. This model also comes with spot-on paint tabs and branding details and has free rolling wheels, excellent suspension, and a lot more that makes it an amazing collectible. And just so you know, the sidecar can be detached by removing the screw if required, but I like to retain the original look, so I'm not going to tamper with this for sure. And with this model you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. And so with that being said, now let's place this classic beauty on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding this premium diecast model in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this premium classic model. And so with that being said, let's place this diecast motorcycle on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this beauty on wheels in a 360-degree view. And as we take a look at this classic diecast beauty, here are a few fun facts. Harley Davidson Incorporation is an American motorcycle manufacturer founded in 1903 in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. It was one of the two major American motorcycle manufacturers to survive the Great Depression along with Indian motorcycles. This brand has become one of the world's largest motorcycle manufacturers and an iconic brand widely known for its loyal following. Harley Davidson is noted for a style of customization that gave rise to the chopper motorcycle style. The company traditionally marketed heavyweight, air-cooled cruiser motorcycle with engine displacements greater than 700 cubic centimeters. But it has broadened its offerings to include more contemporary motorcycles in 2002 and middleweight street motorcycles in 2015. And for further information on Harley Davidson, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this 1/18 scale diecast motorcycle that was featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also do let me know in the comments below as to what's your favorite feature in this particular diecast motorcycle. And please do stay tuned for a lot more exciting unboxings and reviews on classic Harley Davidson motorcycle replicas. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this particular episode, kindly drop your comments below. And please stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.